it's Stephanie Grams. You can go to stephaniegrams.com to learn more about the Keepsake Business Academy. Today is day number 4 of our Lunch and Learn, which is Thursday, December 21st, 2023, and we are talking about happy customers. Now, hold on. If you're new to a Keepsake business and you don't have any customers, hang out with us anyways, and we will talk about important things about customers. All right. One thing that nobody told me that I already knew was you need customer testimonials, right? And my students are professionals in different types of businesses. Some come from the medical field that are supplementing their income as a Keepsake business owner because they want to take a Keepsake business from a part-time job, part-time hustle into retirement to supplement their retirement. So they're starting now while they are fully employed. So that's typically who is in my classes. I have worked with young moms in the past, and some of the students did not realize how important it was to capture a testimonial. And so hang out. If that's you and you're like, oh, you really don't know how to do that, or you feel awkward, this should help you not feel awkward. So happy customers are very important. And if you know who your customer, your ideal customer is, then you shouldn't really be too worried about asking them to talk or give you talk about your service and your product and getting a testimonial. It's not difficult, I promise you that. You just have to make sure that you're not the awkward person asking. So your customer should be very thrilled by the keepsake that you make and that you present to them. And if they are thrilled, and again, they should be, you right? I mean, you already know it's a good customer. Then all you do is have to say, hey, so-and-so, Sally, John, whoever, could you please give me a 5-star testimonial? And here's an idea on how you can write that. And so in the Keepsake Business Academy, I give you a little script that you can send to them where they just fill it out. And obviously they can write it any way they want, but it kind of helps you help them write a testimonial so they don't really have to think too creatively. Some people feel kind of awkward about writing a creative, honest review. It is honesty here. But happy customers are usually 99% more than happy to give a testimonial. Okay, so happy customers. All right. Number 1, what feedback did you receive from your customers regarding the product or service that they contacted you about? What was their feedback? Again, testimonials, recommendations, additional ideas. Write all of that out. Keep your information together. Again, this is the binder that it's a PDF. You just download from the Etsy shop that I have and write it out, fill it out, and that's part of class. It's part of the Keepsake Business Academy. Number 2, did you have any customer complaints or concerns from day 1 and through the entire processing of the order? If you did, what was the concern? What was the question? And how did you handle that? What was the outcome? Did they end up being really happy? And what transpired? Like, what was their question? What was their concern? And then how did you answer that? I know that it can be really easy to skip over writing things out in our businesses, but moving forward and you wanting to have a better, stronger, more successful business, you need to know what transpired throughout the year. Don't expect your brain to retain every single question or concern. It's not fair to your thinking, to your thinking process. So definitely write it all out. And number 3, how loyal is your customer base? Do they recommend you to others? Do they brag about the product and service that you provided? Did they share it with their friends and family? So how loyal are they? Some feel awkward sharing your business with their friends and family and social media connections, while others are more than happy to do that and they talk about it for a while. My customers have always shown pictures of their product displayed in their home and tagged me in my business page and talked about the ordering process, how they enjoyed the product and love it and all of that. So how loyal are they? And then what strategies are in place to build on that loyalty? So if you have a customer that ordered a memory bear, they may not necessarily need another memory bear. So what other product do you have that you can offer them down the road? You know, keep a digital receipt or digital address book on who they are, where they live, what they ordered, the date, all of that. Because you can put them on your mailing list. Maybe you have a quarterly mailing list to say, hey, Sally, I wanted to show you the new products that we have. I know you were really excited and loved the memory bear that I made you in 2022. You know, things like that. So once you have a happy customer, you want to stay in contact with that happy customer. You don't want to spam them and you don't want to waste their time. And you don't want to just always say, I have another memory bear option. Yes, you can remind them of the memory bears or whatever your keepsake is, but you want to do what all these other stores do, right? They send out reminders of coupons, discounts, specials happening, new product announcements. So write that down, go through your happy customers list, and you can even write it on the back of one of these sheets. Happy customer list, and write it out. One thing with the PDF is you can print it as many times as you want. You buy it once and you can keep printing it as many times as you'd like. And if you need it in a digital version, that will be coming too. So that way you don't have to always print it yourself. All right, guys, it's Stephanie Grams. Go to stephaniegrams.com. Get on the free newsletter. Learn more about the Keepsake Business Academy for the creative person. Not just sewing, but creative. Bye, guys.